How to use Looker Enterprise Analytics properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Looker Enterprise Analytics is a powerful platform for turning raw data into actionable insights, but most beginners stumble in ways that slow decision-making and waste resources. The surprising truth is that even small missteps, like ignoring proper data modeling or underutilizing dashboards, can cost your team hours and lead to misinformed strategies. One of the biggest mistakes is skipping the proper setup of data models. Looker uses LookML to define relationships, metrics, and dimensions. Beginners often rely on default models, which can produce inaccurate reports or require repeated adjustments. Properly structuring your data ensures consistency, accuracy, and faster reporting. Another common error is neglecting dashboards and visualizations. Looker allows you to create dynamic dashboards that track KPIs in real time. Many users only generate ad hoc reports, missing the chance to monitor trends, spot anomalies, and share insights instantly. For example, a marketing dashboard tracking website conversions, campaign performance, and customer behavior can prevent costly delays in strategy adjustments. Integration is another area where mistakes happen. Looker can connect to CRMs, ERP systems, and other analytics tools to provide a unified view. Without these integrations, teams work with fragmented data, leading to duplicated effort and lost context. Collaboration is also frequently underused. Looker enables shared dashboards, scheduled reports, and alerts, but beginners often rely on email or static spreadsheets. Keeping insights centralized in Looker ensures everyone sees the same data and acts consistently. Finally, insufficient training is a hidden cost. Even with Looker's intuitive interface, teams need guidance on LookML, exploring data, and leveraging dashboards effectively. Regular training prevents inefficient workflows and maximizes ROI. To use Looker Enterprise Analytics properly, structure your data models correctly, build dynamic dashboards, integrate with other tools, centralize collaboration, and train your team. Avoiding these beginner mistakes transforms Looker into a strategic powerhouse that delivers insights, saves time, and drives smarter decisions across your organization.